morning students. Today we are discussing types of fractions, add the fractions and subtract the fractions. Let's see the first one, 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. We have two denominators have a same number. So what is the like fraction? So how to add this sum? Let's see. 2 by 9, 4 by 9. Take the denominator 9 and add the numerators 2 plus 4. Okay. Write only one denominator, that is 9, and add both numerators 2 plus 4 equals to 2 plus 4. Right? Write the denominator 9 and add both numerators 2 plus 4 equals to how much? 6. Okay. 6 by 9 is the sum of 2 by 9 and 4 by 9. And reduce this form. See here, and reduce the sum to the lowest term. Reduce the sum to the lowest term. So reduce it. In these two numbers are cancelled in which table? 2 table? No, 9 is not cancelled. Which table will cancel? 3 table. Let's take the 3 table and cancel here. How many times does it cancel? How many times? 2 times. Here 3 times. So the answer is 2 by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3. Let's see the next sum. 5 by 30, 9 by 30. These two are having a same denominator. So take only one denominator, anyone, that is 30. Okay, add both numerators 5 plus 9. Okay, let's take one denominator 30. Now 5 plus 9 is equals to how much? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14 by 30. 14 by 30 are cancelled in any common table? No, that's why this is the lowest form of this number. Okay, let's come to this sum. This is the lowest fraction of this fraction, and come to this sum. 2 by 4, 1 by 3. Here you see different denominators and different numerators. In this type of case, how to solve? I will tell easy. Let's take both the first take by. Let's multiply both denominators. Let's multiply both denominators. 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Next, cross multiplication. Next, cross multiplication. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. 1 into 4. Okay, understood? 4 into 3, 2 into 3, 1 into 4. Again, take equal to by 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 2 3s is 6 plus 4 1 there is 4. Okay, equals to 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4 equals to how much? 6 plus 4 is 10 by 12. 10 by 12. If you are cancelling 2 table, this is cancelled in 5 times. Here 6 times. So the answer is 5 by 6. The reducing form is 5 by 6. Again I am telling it. 4 3s is 12. 2 into 3. 1 into 4. 2 3s is 6. 1 4s is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Denominator 12. 10 by 12. 10 is cancelled in 2 table 5 times. 12 is cancelled in 6 times. So 5 by 6. Let's come to this. Subtract the fractions and reduce the sum to the lowest term. Let's take the first number 9 by 16. See, the denominator is 16 and write both numerators with minus. Let's take 16. Subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 2 equal to how much? If you are subtract 7, right? 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 by 16. Does it have the lowest form? No, because these two numbers are cancelled in any common table. These two numbers are not cancelled in any common table. That's why leave it. 7 by 16 is the lowest form of its fraction. Okay. Let's take these two numbers. Take 12 in the denominator place. Let's take the numerator 6 minus 4. Okay. Take the denominator down. Let's subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 4 equals to how much? 2, right? 2 and 12. These two are cancelled in which table? 2 table. 2 table is cancelled here one time. Here 6 times. So let's take 1 by 6 is the lowest form of 2 by 12. Understood? Come to the next sum. 4 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 4 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Let's see here the different denominators and different numerators. So how to solve it? Like this type of sum. Like this type of sum. Let's take solution. First take a by and write two denominators within 2. 2 into 3. Okay. Let's do the cross multiplication here. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 minus 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Okay. Okay. 4 into 3. 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 3. Let's see. 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12 minus 2 1s are 2 equal to 12 minus 2 equals to how much? Is 10, right? What is the denominator there? 6. Okay. These 6 and 10. These two are the what? Even numbers. So the 2 are cancelled in which table? Yes, 2 table. 2 table here 5 times. Here 3 times. So 5 by 3 is the lowest form of 10 by 6. Understood, children? All of you must note down these 6 sums and practice this type of sums in your textbook. Okay? Let's see this sum. 3 1 by 4 minus 1 1 by 2. Okay? So, how is the fraction? What is the fraction it is? That is a mixed fraction. So, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's multiply these two numbers and add this number. Take solution. 3 into 4 plus 1 by what is the denominator? 4 minus multiply this whole number denominator and add 1. 2 1s are 2 into 1 plus 1 by denominator is 2. Okay. Let's multiply this 2. 3 4s is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Minus 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. Let's take these numbers and I already told you the different denominators I have. You multiply both the denominators. Okay. Let's take the denominator 4 into 3. 4 into 2. Okay, cross multiplication 13 into 2 minus 3 into 4. Okay, let's see. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 minus 3 4s are 12. 4 2s is 8. The denominator is 8. And see 26 minus 12. Subtract 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, 14 by 8. These two are the even numbers, right? So, in these two numbers are cancelled in two tables. Here 7 times, here 4 times. So, the answer is 7 by 4. Okay. let's see this sum. 2 1 by 6, 1 1 by 3. Okay, let's multiply two denominators and add numerator. Let's multiply 2 into 6 plus 1. Okay, by what is the denominator? 6. Let's write down 6. So here we are done subtraction, right? That's why. See here, what is this? Addition. Let's add. Let's see. Denominator into whole number. Denominator into whole number. Multiply and add. 1 3 plus 1 by what is the denominator? 3. Write down 3. Understood this one? Let's come. 2 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13 by 6 plus 3 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by what is the denominator? 3. Let's see. 6 and 3 are the denominator. Different denominators here also. So do like this. Take the denominator 6 into 3 and cross multiplication 13 into 3. 13 into 3 plus 4 into 6. 4 into 6. 4 into 6. Let's see. Multiply both numerators and denominators. 6 3s is 18. See, 3 3s is 9. 3 1s is 3. What is the symbol? Plus. Let's put it. 6 4s 6 4s 24. Okay. Let's add the two numbers here. How much? 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1? 6. Okay. 63 by 18. This 63 and 18, these two are cancelled in 3 table. Okay, let's take the 3 table and cancel it. In this 6 is cancelled 2 times in 3 table. 3 is 1 time. Okay, 63 divided by 3. 2 times 6, 0. 3, 1 time 3, remainder 0. Okay, 21 times. In this case, 6 3s are 18. So 21 by 6 is the lowest form of 63 and 18. Okay, 63 by 18. Understood, children? This type of sums are in your textbook. Once all of you write down and practice this type of sums. Thank you.